In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a shake animation to your Shopify Add to Cart button. A subtle shake on your Add to Cart button can draw attention at the right moment and nudge shoppers to take action. We'll keep this simple and straightforward, starting with finding the right app, installing it, and then dialing in the settings so it looks good and performs well on your store. First, head to the Shopify App Store and search for Shake Add to Cart button. You'll see options like Shake Add to Cart button or Cart Shaker. Open the listings and compare them. Look at recent reviews, the app's update history, and whether it offers a free plan or trial so you can test without committing. Check that it supports your theme and online store 2.0, and scan the feature list for controls over animation style, duration, and page targeting. It's also helpful if the app clearly states how to disable or remove its code, in case you change your mind later. When you've picked your app, click to add it to your store and follow the prompts in your Shopify admin. Review the permissions, then complete the installation flow. Some apps use theme app embeds. If you see a note about enabling an embed, open your theme customizer in Online Store. Go to the App Embeds section and toggle it on. If the app includes a setup wizard, follow it. These wizards usually connect the app to your theme and confirm where the animation should appear. Next, customize the behavior. Open the app's settings and choose the animation style that fits your brand. Classic shake, wobble, or a subtle pulse. Set the intensity and duration so the motion is noticeable but not distracting. Shorter animations often feel more polished. Decide where it should show. Product pages are the most effective, but you might also enable it on the home page, collection pages, or in the cart drawer if supported. If the app offers device targeting, enable it for both desktop and mobile, then preview to ensure the button isn't obstructed on smaller screens. You can also control when it triggers, on page load after a short delay, or when the button enters the viewport. Save your changes, then test a product page as a shopper would. Make sure the animation doesn't conflict with other effects, like sticky bars or countdown timers, and that it doesn't slow the page. That's it. You found an app, installed it, and customized the animation to guide attention without overwhelming the design. Keep an eye on click-through and add to cart rates, and fine-tune the settings over time to match your store's